Well, to me, the dreamer is more like has a vision of what he's going to do. The doer is more the person that connects that vision to the machinery, to making the product. I'm thinking more on the doer. The first time I came to IMTS was in 1978, so that would be 40 years. Since '78, I've come every year except about 2 or 3. I go back, there was only an east building. I go back to when the north and south were not here, the west building was not here. They had machinery in the old Donnelly printing company out at the end of the street. This is a complete package. I mean, all the machinery is here, all the companies are here. There's qualified people here to answer any question you may have. People, we all have one thing in common. We're all machinists of some sorts, whether we run the machines or we run the plant the company that runs the machines. We all have something in common to strike up a conversation, to find yourself sneaking a look to see where on their tag, where are they from? You do that all the time, right? Well, I had a couple shows that I did not attend because I started my business. I could see in that period of time that I did not attend that you're starting to lose touch. Yeah, you see the change. You see the change. You see the improvements. You see newer technology. You don't want to get left behind with old technology.
Set your sights, follow your instincts, nab your dream. Future Hunters Focus, where dreamers and doers connect.